I buy several courses online just to learn about affiliate marketing and just to see how much I can really get out of it so I could make money online and quit my 9-to-5 job. However, many of the courses that I buy, I never really see what worth it. That's why I only promote products that worth while spending. And the reason why you should really learn some of this from me, because I've been making different figures here online, such as 5 figures in affiliate marketing from many of what I've learned. I've done it with Leads Lion, I've done it on ClickBank, I've done it on JVZoo, I've also do a little with Legendary Marketer. So what I'm here sharing with you in this series is definitely things that I've already learned and earned from as well. So I'm going to share some funnels and many different things about affiliate marketing. Hope that you watch this series and benefit from it. So nice for having you here, and just want you to continue watch my series.